Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMA on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then click on this icon right here, the F. Now click on F plus, then go to trend and choose moving average. Now we have here period, make sure you type 20. On method, make sure you choose simple, okay? Because SMA stands for simple moving average. We have here style. We have 4 pixel. You can change this one if you want. This is for the thickness of your SMA. So let's choose, for example, 3. And this one is for the color. Okay, so for me, I will keep this one. Click on done. And as you can see here, this is the 20 SMA. Now let's add the 50. Click on the F again, F plus, moving average, and change this one to 50. Make sure the method is simple. You can change the thickness if you want, and the color, I will change it for example, to black. Now click on done. If we go back, as you can see here, this is the 20 SMA, and this is the 50. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.